Hello everyone, welcome to Momoko, Mountain Plaza, New Territories, Hong Kong. Sunday off day, so dito ako magla-lunch guys. Momoko, more than K-food. So napakasarap na mga menu nila rito guys. So ang daming mga choice. So dito, scan mo yung QR code and then dun ka na sa phone mo mag-order. Tsaka dito guys, very affordable naman yung price nila dito guys. Tsaka sulit, masarap pa siya. So ito yung place, napakaganda. Alam nyo guys, dito sa Hong Kong napakaraming food resto. So marami kang choices na pupuntahan. So ang aking order, mango fruit mix, ayan. And of course, the rice stone pot pearl with chicken chop, scallion, and corn. So ito, may init-init pa yan guys. Umuusok, napakainit ng stone pot. So fresh na fresh. So, ayan, may sauce siya. So, let's eat. Thank you for watching, guys. Try nyo rin.